Hi Sam. Today, we're learning a very useful German verb.
Gefallen.
Hi Alex. What does
gefallen,
mean?
Gefallen.
Means to please or to appeal to someone. It's commonly used when you want to say that you like something. So you might say,
Das Buch gefällt mir.
which means I like the book.
Ah, I see. Are there any false friends with this word?
Yes, actually. Many learners confuse
Gefallen.
with the English word to fall. They sound similar, but the meanings are completely different.
Can you tell me more about the grammar of
gefallen,
Of course,
Gefallen.
is a bit tricky because it's a dative verb. The subject is the thing that pleases, while the person who likes it is in the dative case. For instance, in the present tense, we say,
Es gefällt mir. Es gefällt dir.
and
Es gefällt ihm.
so, is it the same in the past tense?
good question. In the Prateritem, you would say,
Es gefiel mir.
for it pleased me. And in the perfect, it's
Es hat mir gefallen.
And what about the imperative?
the imperative is,
Gefall mir.
but it's not commonly used in everyday conversation.
Where does
gefallen,
come from?
The word
Gefallen.
comes from the Old High German word,
Fallen.
which means to fall. Over time, its meaning evolved to express the idea of something being pleasing.
That's interesting. I didn't know words could change meaning like that.
Yes, language evolves in fascinating ways.
How can we break down?
gefallen,
What are its parts?
Great question.
Gefallen.
Consists of the prefix and the root.
Fallen.
The prefix doesn't change the meaning significantly, it's more about forming the past participle.
So, it doesn't have a suffix.
Exactly. It's not a compound word, so we can't split it further. But you can think of
Fallen.
as to fall, with indicating it's been completed, like has fallen.
What are some similar words to
gefallen,
There are quite a few. For instance, with the same prefix, we have
Gefallen.
itself,
Gefroren.
meaning frozen, and
Geraten.
meaning to get into. Then there's
Gefällt.
which is a form of
Gefallen.
And what about words with the same suffix?
sure. We can look at words like
entfallen,
meaning to be omitted, and
aufgefallen,
which means to notice. Lastly, we have
abfallen,
which means to fall off.
Can you give me some real-life situations where I could use
gefallen,
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You could say,
das Essen gefällt mir,
meaning I like the food.
Okay, I'll try that.
das Essen gefällt mir,
Perfect. Another situation could be when you're shopping. You might say,
das Kleid gefällt mir,
meaning I like the dress.
das Kleid gefällt mir,
Exactly. And finally, if you're at a concert, you could say,
die Musik gefällt mir,
meaning I like the music.
die Musik gefällt mir.
Now, let's talk about remembering the gender. Since
gefallen,
is a verb, we don't have a gender, but we often use it with nouns that do. For example,
das Buch,
is neuter.
So, if I think of a book that I like, I can remember it with
Das Buch gefällt mir.
Yes. And a vivid image might be a book falling into your hands, pleasing you.
Are there any formal or informal uses for
Gefallen,
It's mostly informal when you're talking to friends. You might say,
das gefällt mir,
casually. Some common phrases include,
das gefällt mir sehr,
meaning I like that a lot, or
gefällt dir das?
meaning do you like this?
Those are good to know. Are there any similar words I should avoid confusing with
gefallen,
Yes, watch out for,
fallen,
which means to fall, and
entfallen,
which means to be omitted. They can be confusing because they sound similar.
Can you give me a few example sentences with
gefallen,
Sure.
das Bild gefällt mir,
Means I like the picture.
gestern hat mir das Konzert sehr gut gefallen.
Means yesterday, I liked the concert very much. How about
Die neue Wohnung gefällt ihr.
that means she likes the new apartment.
Those are great examples.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Gefallen,
mean?
It means to please or to like something.
Correct. What's the past tense form in Präteritum?
es gefiel mir.
Right again. What's the present tense for it pleases me?
Es gefällt mir.
Great. Can you give me an example of how to use it at a restaurant?
I could say,
Das Essen gefällt mir.
Perfect. And lastly, can you remember a similar word?
maybe.
Fallen.
That's it. To wrap up, remember that
gefallen,
means to please or like something, and it's a dative verb. Use it to express your preferences, and be mindful of its nuances.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful.
You're welcome, Sam. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.